Hello everybody, welcome to another BTS session. So today I'm going to be teaching you all how to achieve the rice paper seal the easy way, the color type. So today I'm going to be making like 3 colors. Okay, so what you basically need is the sheets of the rice paper. This can be seen to buy at any bakery or any cake tool store in Lagos or anywhere. You're going to be needing warm water, colored. There is nothing more than a bowl of warm water with a food color, edible food color. This is teal. Alright, so I just put a drop of this here to mix this and mix in the color very well. You're going to be needing the silicone mat, the soft, flexible one. So yeah, that can also be seen at all these cake tool stores too. So yeah, so what I just, and then of course you are going to be needing peg. So you just take the reverse side of the rice paper as seen in the video, dip it into the water just for about 3 seconds. Make sure everything is immersed properly, but not too long, otherwise you're going to be having it difficult to work with. Shake off the excess water, then you drop it on the mat. So when you drop it on the mat, it gets soft immediately, so you just walk your way around it as fast as you can before it collapses. So here, that's what I'm trying to do here. Alright, try and walk as fast as you can, and then when you do that, you just leave it to dry. You have to get your shape before it's set, otherwise you won't be able to get the shape when it is set. So here, this is one. I'm going to leave this one to dry. So I'll repeat the process again. So if I want it darker, all I'll do is just add another drop of color into the water. So that way you get like a monotone effect on your result. That is when you place it on the cake. So same process again. Same way. You can see it still has like a hard feel. That's because I'm not waiting for it to, because the longer you wait, the softer it will get because you have added it into water. So see, it's still very workable now, but in the next few seconds it's going to be really hard to work with. So yeah, the second one, go and you leave it. Okay. I'm going to get it a bit darker, so what I'll just do is to stop. So I'm taking a little bit of more color, same color I use, just to get the water darker. You can use a dowel rod as seen in the video. Make sure all these clumps of color gets blended in before you use it so that it doesn't stain your rice paper. Basically water and color, nothing else is added into this. Take a third one, also on the reverse side. Take water again. Try to form it again. So I have made the seals now and they're still very wet, so I'm going to take it into the oven for about 5 minutes and I'd expect that by the time I bring it out, it's going to be very hard, and the sails will be formed, and I'm going to use them on my cake like this. As you see right now that I have 2 shades of teal here. I have the light shade and then I have the darker shade. So stay with me, guys. I'll come back to show you guys the result. Bye. Okay, so I'm back, guys, and this is the result of the sail. I left it in the oven for approximately like 15 minutes on the lowest heat. The idea is not to bake it, it's just to get it very, firm up in that temperature. In the alternative, you can also leave it, in a cold room, like where you have an air conditioner, but it's going to take a longer time to dry, but eventually it will give you the same result anyways. So now the sails are ready. Like I told you earlier, I have them in 3 shades. This is the lightest, this is the deeper one, and then this is the deepest. So then it is left to you to use your creative mind to arrange it on your cake as you like it. But you can see they're really hard, nothing like what it was when it was done. They're really hard, very hard. So there you go, guys. We have our teal colored umber chocolate rice paper sails. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and stay with us, guys, for more videos to come. Bye.